Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make your TikTok account private on iPhone or Android. Let's get into the method. Open the app first and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On here, tap on the three lines icon in the top right corner and then choose Settings and Privacy from the list that appears. Within the settings, choose Privacy, which should be near the top. Now all you need to do is use the toggle switch at the top next to where it says Private Account in the Discoverability section to make your account private. You can read about what this does under it, and you may need to tap on Confirm when you turn this on. You might also want to customize some of the other settings within the privacy section of the settings. For example, change who can message you or who can see your liked posts. That's how to make your TikTok account private on iPhone or Android. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.